Now that's dual persona Udish. UD, what's up?
Listen to song.
Yeah, give a hi to everyone.
Hello.
Where's your sutta?
Welcome to our channel. Huh?
Where's your sutta, man?
Yeah. So that. Huh?
So, you're in Bangalore right now. Do you miss Kolkata?
Yes. But Bangalore's good.
Oh shit, fit check for the day. City till I die. You know what's the best part of wearing, good clothes? You just style it with the fucking Crocs. That just makes it better. Weather looks great. This the fuck, bro. So yeah, that's Shantan. So like, say hi to everyone if we get views again. So we are in Auto. Right. Fit check.
We're gonna go to Spencer's.
Yeah. Should we get a coffee?
Yeah, espresso. Because we don't have money.
We are broke. Unemployed. Wait, aren't you a graduate?
This year only.
Yeah, you're a fucking graduate.
Yeah. So we are at the Spencer's. So and what are we getting? Are we getting that?
So we should. This shit is good, but I don't know about the quantity. I'm broke.
No, it's good actually.
We got Ponytos. We got Coke. You know why is Coke black?
Why?
It was manufactured in Africa first. That's not true, bro. I'm so broke. You have to pay for that.
You should be thankful that I'm here right now.
You alright?
Yep.
So we are on a tuk-tuk rickshaw. I don't know what we call it, and we are having a side quest right now. God bless you. Yeah, I am on a call, so yeah. So, Shantan, what do you think?
Yeah, lovely evening indeed.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. You know what? Cars were painted white actually. You know, there's a reason behind it.
What's the reason?
It's very simple, guy. In class 8 of physics, we learned now that white color radiates much of the heat, so it actually makes the car interior much cooler than its outside. So yeah, that's a reason for it. It's a very
Yeah, but like we didn't need that kind of information right now. What's the difference between being autistic and being retarded?
A retard means you're a person who looks at a banana and you instantly want to shove it up inside of your ass, and when you're autistic, you think of how many creative ways in which you can shove it inside of someone.
That was way too cool. Side quest. Do we know where we're going?
This is the most useless thing we have ever done.
The fuck is this, bro? Okay. Not bad, right?
It looks better than Sniper.
Peak male pleasure moment.
Pleasure moment.
Pleasure.
Pleasure moment. You want to tell me what you just did?
What did I do?
What did you do?
Yeah.
Ask yourself what did you do?
I don't
You
know.
are right now
I don't know,
asking
chat. What did I do? So we have crusties, we have cigarettes,
Layer crusty.
we have coke, not cocaine, coke. So
I am rethinking my perspective about. I shouldn't say this.
why
Camera. Please.
why isn't he saying anything?
I'm
Chat.
hungry.
I know I look like shit. It's alright. Why do people smoke these days? Alright. Why do people smoke?
Because people are smoking.
But why are people smoking?
Because it's available.
But what if... But why would you make someone smoke who doesn't want to smoke?
I'm not.
You are. Why do we this is the best part of being so fucking unemployed. You think that's cool, bro? Look, show me, what did you just do? I just got back home and the first thing I'm doing is calling my Bangalore guy. Okay, he never picked up.